So I just listed a house Monday. Today's Wednesday. I just listed a house Monday in South Berwick for $500,000. Super cute little house at 12 Warren Lane. And I wanted to update you guys on the activity that we're getting on new listings right now in that price point. So I've had actually a lot of activity on it. We've got showings booked. We've already had showings on it and a lot of questions about it. So I love that. The other good news is that from the very first showing, we got an offer right away already. So we're still having a couple more showings on it just in case. We want to make sure that everybody gets a fair shot before responding to this one, but that's good news for the market in Berwick, South Berwick in that price point. That's $500,000. So number two, I just had my moving consultation. So this is where basically this was a virtual. So what they do is you do a almost like a Zoom call on your phone and then go around the house and just basically show the house. They take pictures of it. And then they have an AI program that turns those pictures into what the weight of all of this stuff is. And movers are basically charged based by weight and man hours. So that is what's going on with that. They're gonna have a whole report to me within the next day or two. And I'll let you guys follow along with that. Cool things about the movers is that they will send over people to pack your stuff if you want. That would be nice. And then they will also pack things. They'll take things down like the TV in the background, big mirrors, stuff like that. So they'll do some extra packing of things like that to make sure everything stays well protected. If you have a question about moving, if you have a question about the value of your home, specifically if it's in the southern New Hampshire, southern Maine area, please feel free to send me a message below. If you have watched this video to the end, please give me a like. If you're watching it on YouTube, have a great day.